Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Amish remedies, exploring 5 unique and traditional approaches to common ailments that have been passed down through generations. The Amish community, known for their simple lifestyle and deep connection to nature, has developed a treasure trove of natural health solutions that are both effective and time-tested. Welcome to Frugal Amish. In this video, we'll uncover remedies that not only address everyday health issues, but also reflect the Amish way of life, which emphasizes self-sufficiency and a harmonious relationship with the environment. From soothing herbal teas to homemade salves, these remedies are rooted in a philosophy that values natural healing over synthetic alternatives. As we explore each remedy, we'll share the stories behind them, highlighting how the Amish have relied on their rich knowledge of herbs and natural ingredients to maintain their health for centuries. This is not just about treating symptoms, it's about embracing a holistic approach to wellness that prioritizes prevention and balance. If you're curious about natural health and looking for alternatives to conventional medicine, you're in the right place. These remedies are not only practical, but also offer a glimpse into a lifestyle that cherishes simplicity and sustainability. So, grab a cup of herbal tea, sit back, and let's embark on this journey together to discover the healing power of Amish traditions. You might just find a remedy that resonates with you. Remedy 1. Herbal teas for digestive issues. In the Amish community, herbal teas are a cherished remedy for alleviating digestive problems. Among the most popular herbs used are peppermint and chamomile, both known for their soothing properties. Peppermint tea is particularly favored for its ability to relieve bloating and gas, while chamomile is often used to calm an upset stomach and promote relaxation. Preparing these herbal teas is a simple yet intentional process. The Amish typically harvest fresh herbs from their gardens, ensuring they are organic and free from chemicals. For peppermint tea, they steep a handful of fresh leaves in boiling water for about 10 minutes, allowing the essential oils to infuse the water. Chamomile, on the other hand, is made by steeping dried flowers, which can be gathered during the blooming season and stored for later use. To maximize the benefits, it's common to add a touch of honey for sweetness and additional soothing properties. Personal anecdotes from the Amish community highlight the effectiveness of these herbal teas. Many individuals share stories of how a warm cup of peppermint tea has helped them after a heavy meal, easing discomfort and promoting digestion. Similarly, mothers often recount how chamomile tea has been a go-to remedy for their children's tummy aches, providing comfort and relief without the need for over-the-counter medications. These time-honored practices not only reflect the Amish commitment to natural health, but also showcase the power of simple ingredients in promoting well-being. By embracing these herbal teas, you can tap into a tradition that values both health and harmony with nature. Remedy 2. Honey and cinnamon for coughs. When it comes to treating coughs and colds, the Amish community often turns to the powerful combination of honey and cinnamon. Both ingredients are celebrated for their natural anti-inflammatory properties, making them effective in soothing irritated throats and reducing cough symptoms. Honey is known for its ability to coat the throat, providing instant relief, while cinnamon adds a warm, comforting flavor and enhances the remedy's overall effectiveness with its antimicrobial properties. Creating this simple remedy at home is easy and requires just 2 ingredients. Start with 1 tablespoon of raw honey and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix them together in a small bowl until well combined. For added benefits, you can warm the mixture slightly, which helps to release the soothing properties of both ingredients. Take this mixture 1 to 2 times a day, especially before bedtime, to help ease coughing and promote restful sleep. Incorporating this remedy into daily life is a common practice among the Amish. During cold and flu season, families often keep a jar of honey and cinnamon mixture on hand, using it not only for coughs, but also as a delicious addition to warm beverages or oatmeal. Many Amish families share stories of how this remedy has been passed down through generations, often becoming a cherished tradition during winter months. By embracing the natural healing power of honey and cinnamon, you can experience a time-tested remedy that not only alleviates coughs, but also connects you to the wisdom of the Amish way of life. Remedy 3. Apple cider vinegar for skin issues. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a staple in the Amish community for addressing various skin ailments thanks to its remarkable properties. Rich in acetic acid, ACV possesses antibacterial and antifungal qualities, making it effective for treating conditions like acne, eczema, and even minor cuts. Its natural acidity helps balance the skin's pH, promoting a healthier complexion and reducing inflammation. To use apple cider vinegar safely and effectively, it's important to dilute it before applying it to the skin. A common method is to mix 1 part ACV with 3 parts water. This dilution helps prevent irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin. After mixing, you can apply the solution using a cotton ball or a clean cloth, gently dabbing it onto the affected area. For best results, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with cool water. This routine can be done once or twice daily, depending on the severity of the skin issue. Historically, the use of apple cider vinegar dates back centuries, with the Amish incorporating it into their daily lives as a natural remedy. Many families have their own recipes and methods for using ACV, often passed down through generations. It's not uncommon to hear stories of how grandmothers would use ACV to treat everything from sunburns to insect bites, showcasing its versatility and effectiveness. By embracing apple cider vinegar as part of your skincare routine, you can tap into a time-honored tradition that highlights the Amish commitment to natural health and wellness. Remedy 4. Garlic for immune support. Garlic is a powerful ally in boosting the immune system, and it holds a special place in Amish remedies. Known for its rich nutritional profile, garlic is packed with vitamins C and B6, manganese, and selenium, along with potent compounds like allicin, which is celebrated for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Historically, garlic has been revered not only for its health benefits, but also for its role in traditional Amish culture, where it has been used for generations to ward off illness and promote overall well-being. Incorporating garlic into your meals is both simple and delicious. The Amish often use fresh garlic cloves in a variety of dishes, from hearty soups and stews to savory roasted vegetables. To maximize its health benefits, consider crushing or chopping garlic and letting it sit for a few minutes before cooking. This process activates its beneficial compounds, enhancing its immune-boosting properties. You can also add raw garlic to salad dressings or dips for a flavorful punch while retaining its health benefits. Many Amish families share anecdotes about garlic's effectiveness in preventing colds and flu. For instance, some community members recount how they would prepare a garlic-infused honey syrup during the winter months, taking a spoonful daily to strengthen their immune defenses. Others have shared stories of using garlic in homemade remedies for family members feeling under the weather, often noting how it seemed to speed up recovery. By embracing garlic as a staple in your diet, you can tap into a time-honored tradition that highlights the Amish commitment to natural health and the power of simple, wholesome ingredients. Remedy 5. Echinacea for cold prevention. Echinacea is a beloved remedy in the Amish tradition, particularly for its role in preventing colds and boosting the immune system. This vibrant purple flower is known for its ability to stimulate the immune response, helping the body fend off infections. Echinacea contains compounds that enhance the activity of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off pathogens. By incorporating echinacea into their wellness routines, many Amish families aim to reduce the frequency and severity of colds, especially during the colder months. Preparing echinacea tea or tinctures is straightforward and can be done at home. For a simple tea, start with dried echinacea root or flowers, which can often be found at local herbal shops or farmers' markets. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried echinacea per cup of boiling water, allowing it to steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. For those who prefer tinctures, you can create one by steeping fresh echinacea in alcohol for several weeks, shaking it occasionally. This concentrated form can be taken in small doses, typically a few drops mixed with water. Many Amish community members share positive testimonials about their experiences with echinacea. Some recall how their grandparents would brew echinacea tea at the first sign of a sniffle, often remarking on how it seemed to ward off more serious illness. Others mention that incorporating echinacea into their daily routine has become a family tradition, especially during the winter months when colds are more prevalent. By embracing echinacea as a preventive measure, you can connect with a time-honored Amish practice that emphasizes the importance of natural remedies in maintaining health and well-being. Conclusion. In today's video, we explored the fascinating world of Amish remedies, highlighting 5 natural solutions that have stood the test of time. From herbal teas for digestive issues to the powerful combination of honey and cinnamon for coughs, each remedy showcases the Amish commitment to using nature's bounty for health and wellness. We also discussed the benefits of apple cider vinegar for skin issues, garlic for immune support, and echinacea for cold prevention, emphasizing how these simple ingredients can effectively address common ailments. The key takeaway from our discussion is that these natural remedies not only offer practical solutions, but also reflect a holistic approach to health that prioritizes prevention and balance. The Amish way of life teaches us the value of self-sufficiency and the importance of connecting with nature to enhance our well-being. By incorporating these remedies into your daily routine, you can experience their benefits firsthand and embrace a more natural path to health. We encourage you to explore these Amish remedies in your own life. Whether it's brewing a cup of echinacea tea or using garlic in your meals, these practices can enrich your health and wellness journey. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with friends and family who are interested in natural health. Together, we can spread the wisdom of these time-honored remedies and promote a healthier lifestyle for everyone. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.